Hello and very well welcome to your Xero Quick Fixes video. In this tutorial I will show you two ways how to correct errors through find in Recode and for manual transactions. First one's more popular. If you need to correct nominal codes for the same supplier, you go to Accounting, all the way to Find Recode, and here you can find Find Recode button, click on the button. And click on Add Condition. For example, we want to find a city limousine and recode this, all transactions, into another nominal code. Or perhaps they want to change the name if the name wasn't correct. So what we do, we select the items, we click Recode, and we simply choose another account to recode it to. Once we're finished, we click Review and Save, and that's how you change the transactions by batch. Let's say that you don't have access to Find Recode, or perhaps your subscription is not allowed. Please contact your subscriber of Xero and ask for permission to access the Find Recode button. Another way to make changes is probably more harder way, but you go through Chart of Accounts. And then I will go directly to this account to see what transactions have been included. And for example, if this particular company should not be under this nominal code, then I would have to edit it manually and change the account. But of course, Find and Recode is easier way, it's fastest way to fix the problems and errors on Xero. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe to my channel.